Hello, thanks for watching JW CNC. In today's video we are going to modify this frame to accept a larger axle. This is what the new slot will look like, and there will be an insert that bolts to it to accept the axle. Okay, so right here I am cutting out the main slot. So that's a 10mm slot original, opening it up to 20mm. I'm taking pretty light passes because the work holding isn't the greatest, and I only had one shot at this. I didn't want to mess the frame up, so I'm being pretty conservative with it. So finishing up the main slot, you can see I'm taking pretty light steps and doing a 30,000ths step down. The second tool path is cutting the step in the dropout. This is going to help the insert just fit in and align correctly. Again, taking light passes, doing a 30,000 step down on this one as well. And I'm just going ahead and taking the width straight to the dimension I want. Here I am drilling for the M3 tapped holes. This is for the bolts that's going to hold the insert onto the frame. I tapped the holes outside of the machine. Okay, so that was part one of modifying this old frame to fit a 15mm rear hub. So I milled the frame out. That's actually a 20mm slot, and I'm going to make a plate that bolts in with a built-in chain tensioner. So the setup isn't very pretty, but it's literally just an old block that I found that had 2 through holes in it, so I was able to use that to bolt it down. It was easy to flip it from one side to the other, and it worked. You know, if I was going to do this on a regular basis, I'd make something a little more fancy as far as a fixture goes, but it worked. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more. In the next video, I will show how I make the insert